Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to enable the read receipt in Microsoft Outlook. For that, we are going to cover Outlook desktop application and web application. This is the Microsoft Outlook desktop application. So click on this new email, then you will see the screen and click on this options and type the email to whom you want to send and just type the subject and type the message in the body of the email and click on this three dots and here you can see the request a read receipt. So once you click this and once you send this, the user will receive the read request receipt for your email. So if they click yes from the pop-up notification, then immediately you will receive the notification as that person has read your messages. So this is how we have to enable the read request receipt in the Outlook desktop application. So if you are receiving the read receipt request, so click on this file and click on this options and click on this mail. Scroll down to see the tracking options here and based on your needs you can choose from this option. Either you can send a receipt to all the messages, or if you don't want to send the read receipt, just choose the never send a read receipt, or if you want to ask before sending the read receipt, then you can choose ask each time whether to send a read receipt or not. So based on this you can choose any one of them and click on OK. So this is how we have to enable the read receipt in Outlook desktop application. And for if you are receiving the read receipt also, you can choose among this and you can click OK. So coming back to the Outlook web application, so again similar to the desktop application, click on this new email and click on this three ellipses and you can see the more options. Right away you can click on this and here you can see the request a read receipt or request a delivery receipt, encrypt this message or digitally sign this message. So you can choose the request a read receipt and click OK. So that user will get the no pop-up notification. If they click yes, you will get the notification as the message the user has been read your messages. Let's see how to respond if we are receiving the read receipt from the other person. So click on the settings option here and click on this mail and click on this message handling and scroll down to see the read receipt. Again similar to the desktop application, you can choose from the three list of options. Ask me before sending the response, always send a response, or never send a response. If I want to choose always send a response, whatever may be the read request I am receiving, so I am choosing this options and click on save so that your changes will be saved. So this is how we have to enable the read receipt in the Outlook web application. So for more video like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you.